This is Zippo model 28454, made to memorize your favorite rock and roll band, the AC DC. It's going to have some orange and red colors there, with the singer holding his guitar and singing his lights out. Famous AC DC rock band on the Zippo lighter that you've come to love, of course made in the USA. It's going to come in its black box from Zippo with AC DC in there. Of course, these are all brand new, have never been opened. You're going to have your sticker still on there, but again, you know it's just going to open there. This is windproof, a genuine Zippo lighter, windproof lighter. So if you love AC/DC, and of course you need a Zippo lighter, this is a nice complete set for you. The Zippo model 28454 AC/DC.